Yo, what up, fellas and ladies? All right, so I'm back. I know it's been a while that I haven't uploaded anything on my YouTube channel, but I'm back. It's been a while. Um, yeah, crazy stuff has been going on this year, with the pandemic, and then not a lot of jobs going on right now, like losing hours. It's tough. But anyways, so I'm back. I'm gonna show you a video about the exhaust, how it sounds inside the car. So very few people have suggested me on my YouTube, on the comments, saying you should do a video inside the car, how it sounds. And well, today's the day, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And hopefully the sound quality is not as bad, because I finally managed to get my GoPro. I have the new one, which is the GoPro 8 Hero Black. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, anyway, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. I haven't started it yet. See how it sounds, and then from there, you'll hear how it sounds from inside. Go. So this is how it sounds with the windows closed. Right now I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna have the windows down so you guys can hear the sound of the car with the windows down. So I'm gonna pull over. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around so you guys can see where I'm going, and so you guys can hear how it sounds, and with the windows down. And hopefully the sound doesn't sound distorted with the wind going on, hopefully, because I don't know how it sounds. So we'll give it a try. there's an area here I can actually go a little fast, so I'll pull up the windows. Now we're gonna hear how it sounds when I'm going a little fast. Here we go. Alright guys, so that is it. So that's my little video on how my exhaust sounds from inside my car. So yeah, so I have other videos that I'm planning to make very soon, which is I need to make a review on my suspension that I have, which is the ECS Tuning Street Coilovers. I had a couple of people on my comment section saying I should make a video of that. I'm making a review on that. And also make a review of the power module from Neospeed that I haven't installed in my car. It's almost like a JB4 in a way. It pretty much gives you more additional boosts. Yeah, so that's in the works right now. Alright, so what I forgot to mention also is that what I have set up on my exhaust is I actually have a CTS turbo downpipe with a MagnaFlow resonator and muffler. How do I like that setup? I like it, but I'm planning to switch it up a little. Like I want to take off the MagnaFlow resonator and muffler, and I want to put a AWE tuning, either Touring or Track Edition, because I know the Touring has the muffler and the Track doesn't. So let me know down in the comment section below which one you guys recommend me, because since I have the CTS turbo downpipe with the Track, I'm pretty sure it's going to be really loud, but I don't want it to be super obnoxious. And if I install the Touring, I know it's going to be a lot quieter, but it's going to sound good. So yeah, let me know down in the section below which one you guys recommend me. So yeah guys, so that is it for now, and thank you guys for watching this video. I'm seeing on my YouTube analytics that I'm getting more subscribers. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I'll be up to date with my YouTube channel. At least recently I haven't. I'm sorry about that. So alright guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. See y'all later.